Hey, welcome to the channel. Today we're making a lemon cake using fresh lemons from our backyard. It's simple, homemade, and it's the kind of cake you can make for your family without any stress. Let's get started. First, set your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare your baking tins. I like getting everything ready first. It just makes the rest go smoother. We'll need about a third of a cup of lemon zest. I'm using a grater and I'm trying not to go too deep because the white part can be very bitter. This part smells amazing already. After that, I juice the lemons since we'll need some juice for the batter and also some for the glaze. Fresh lemon juice is better than bottled juice any day if you have the time. Next, we need a half pound of butter and 2.5 cups of sugar. We'll cream them together until the mixture is light and fluffy. This is when things really start coming together. I usually just let the mixer do the work. Once that is nice and fluffy, we'll add 4 eggs, one at a time. Nothing complicated here, just take your time. After that, we add the lemon zest. In a separate bowl, we're going to mix a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 3/4 of a cup of buttermilk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. This is where the lemon flavor really shows up. The dry ingredients are 3 cups of flour, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Here I'm adding the wet and dry ingredients alternately. I try not to overmix here. As soon as everything is combined, I stop. So next we pour the batter into our 2 prepared baking tins from earlier. Nothing has to be perfect, just spread it evenly. Next, these go into the oven, and this is the hard part, waiting. But while we wait on the cakes to bake, we can work on our glaze. Combine a 1/3 of a cup of lemon juice and a 1/3 of a cup of sugar. Heat it until the sugar dissolves and the mixture thickens. When the cakes are done, let them cool for about 10 minutes. Then spoon the glaze over the cakes while they are still warm. I like doing it this way, it soaks right in. And that's it, a simple lemon cake made at home. Slice it up and enjoy it with your family.